Welcome everyone. Question on the equivalent weight. The equivalent weight of the sulfate ion is, choices are A. 96 gram per equivalent, B. 48 gram per equivalent, C. 24 gram per equivalent, D. 2 gram per equivalent. Answer is B. 48 gram per equivalent. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Here given sulfate ion, we know that equivalent weight is equal to formula mass by charge on the ion. Therefore, equivalent weight is equal to 96. It is the formula mass of the sulfate ion by 2. It is the charge of the sulfate ion, or equivalent weight is equal to 48 gram per equivalent. Thank you for watching this video.